How to install or reinstall Microsoft Store on Windows. Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. If your Microsoft Store app is missing or it's not really working, you can easily reinstall it to fix your issue. First of all, open Windows PowerShell and then run the PowerShell as an administrator by clicking Write. Then after, type the command WSRESET space -I and click and enter in the PowerShell. The above command initiates the installation, which continues in the background and may take 5 to 10 minutes. You can also check progress in the Action or Notification Center on the bottom right corner. This is how you can install or reinstall Microsoft Store on your Windows. In some cases, you may also need to update the Store app. So if you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel for more amazing tutorials. See you in the next video.